Another off-the-road trip. Turning left, turning
Go?
left. Yes, turning left.
Ano yun?
Where are we going? So I didn't realize that Aborlan has plenty of backdoor roads. Good ones. It's important part of the
Tama
trip.
pang tayo yung dinadaanan natin.
There, this is the most important part of the trip. In the middle of it, you have cows or carabaos. In the middle of it.
Palit mo yung daan natin.
Of course, because it's getting into ano. Oh, no, it's not really. It's just that the road is not properly maintained.
Ibig sabihin, kulang na ang inhabitants dyan.
Here comes the sun. Bababa ka lang doon, tapos may lakad na portion. Tanungin mo siya kay, hi ate, ate.
Tanong po, Nay. Dito pupunta kay Ortega's
Rest house.
resort, rest house.
Pagkarating nyo dyan sa may bahay na may sirang tulay, doon na sumaw namin daanan.
Open, tanungin mo kay ate kung open.
Nakapasok po ang sakyan.
Nakapasok po ngayon kasi mga bata.
Ah, okay.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Lang sa yung may kulay na sira, magtanong na kayo dyan.
Sige po.
Thank you. Let's go rock roll. Aray ko. I just hope ang sagingan magmura dito sa Aborlan. Kami maraming saging. Pero pag binili mo sa labas, medyo may kamahalan pa rin. Rocky road, rocky road, rock road. Oh, the water is getting fresher, Jody. Kasi wala na masyadong tao. Saan yung masirang bridge daw? Nag-ihi siya. Kaharap siya, langanin. Di ba lang mo siya talikod? Ay, ay, ay. Ano yan? Naka-wheelchair? O, naka-motor. Pag napupunta ako sa tahimik na, natatai ako dyan. Kaya natatai na naman ako. O, yan na. So, saan dyan? Tanungin mo na. Bukas mo, kuya.
Tanong po, saan po ipapunta kay rest house ni
Ortega.
Ortega?
Ito siya sa may sa unahan na yan.
Ate, unang pa?
Sa unahan na yan, may pababa yan sa ilog.
Po, sa ilog na.
Ito, yan yung takot ko sa mga.
Ah,
Ano na sako yun?
makapasok naman
Pasok na yung dyan, service.
Service.
Pero kung,
Bawalop, lang po ako sa ilog. Sa ilog.
Dito lang pa kanan.
pero tanungin mo kung dito pwede rin maglakad. Tatanungin mo
Sige
kung
po,
dyan.
salamat.
Ay, naku, naiwan ko. Sorry guys, naiwan ko kasi nagtatanong pa kami how to get to the right place. This is now like far from the main road, and it's nice. It's nice how people can, build their house here. It's not easy to bring the materials, but now that they're settled, it's relaxing. It's nice. Tanong muna kami kasi talagang nawawala kami eh. Hindi namin alam kung saan papunta ba ito. Ang tanong, matutuntun ba namin? Yan ang magandang tanong. Okay? Alam, depende sa driver. Ito na, rock and roll. Rock and roll, parang malaliman. Wait lang, pag malalim, huwag na.
Dito.
I don't know. Yun. Mag-survey muna tayo. Ocular.
Saan yun?
Ocular muna tayo. Ocular.
Diretso doon sa
O,
tubig?
doon. Ito na guys. Ito na. Teka lang. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami dadaan. Mukhang mahirap ito. Hindi ata pwedeng lumusot dito. Ang sasakyan. Hindi tayo, lakarin. Aray ko. Lakarin na lang natin siguro ito. Mahirap. Mahirap madapa. Sanay man ako sa ilog. Pero, sa pagkakataong ito, parang ayokong gumalaw. Ocular, people, ocular. Ano? So na, Dag and Ate Oni, you said we will drive. And of course, yours is higher one as per Ate Oni's advice. We're gonna use your car. And here we go. I said do not do that anymore. Let's just walk. But Jorlan did an ocular situation and it looks like it's way easier compared to Faith Camp. Lumalaban, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, they are traveling the road. They are having fun at the same time. Alrighty. Successful. After that passage, the water is now murky. Okay? It looks like they're making a bridge, but it's not finished yet. So here we are. Guys, we are in a far-flung place. And it's fun. Hey, tomorrow's my holiday, so why not? Let's go. Go, folks, go. I don't know how far we're going. Looks like I need to ride. Okay. Sakay na ulit. Ito na, saan kaya ito papunta? Malalaman natin how far is the place. Oh, this is rice field. Pag doon na kami sa taas, we'll let you know kung nasaan kami nag-end up pumunta, ha? Ito pala, pwede dito. Maganda mag-camping. Mag-enjoy kayo ng view. Hindi kami makapasok. May nagbabawal. Dahan ka muna. Mamaya, sumayin tayo niyan eh. Oh. Dahan muna. Oh. To be sure. Okay. So, part 1 muna ito, guys. Ang hirap maghintay eh. Mamaya na, ha? Part 2. Panoorin nyo yung actual view. Okay? Bye! See you later!